Let's move on to writing short answer questions. Now, if you're editing this document still, you'll probably notice that there is no page break in between your last multiple choice question and a section 2 response here. Section 2 response traditionally is your short answer questions. So if you click in the in between your two your cells and that top of that box there, or that table there, and then insert, once again, another page break, and this should put in a page break at the end of there, so that section, and this starts a whole new section. Now enter in the marks, the 10 questions, how many questions, and allow so many minutes for this question. Now there is only one question box available here. Remember this only, we said there was only 10 multiple choice questions, so we just move on from question 11. With these question marks here, just get rid of these brackets. Okay, easy enough. So in here we've got another table. The top cell is how many marks and the question number. This is another cell in here, so another row. This is where your question goes, and then you've got your lines attributed to this question. Okay. Now, if you wanted another question, this little box here with the cross at the top here, you click on that and it selects the whole table. Now you copy that table, you move this note down here, you leave a space in between there, and then you paste that table back into the bottom here. Now that copies that whole table. Now you can edit this to question 12, and then this could be 4 marks. Now when editing your question, it's just important to make sure that you just edit straight into there. Now you can add as many questions as you want this way, and I suggest that you do it that way, and then you keep each question contained within its table. Now if you've decided that this question here is just, let's say it's 6 marks, remember the general rule is, and I'm not sure for all subjects, but the general rule is if it's a 1 marker, it's usually a defined question, so usually it's 2 to 3 lines. A 2 marker is usually a 3 line, and then if you have any more than 3 or more marks, it's usually 3 marks per, 3 lines per mark. So in this case we've got 6 marks, 6 threes, 18. So we should have 18 lines here. Now to add a line for the boys to write, you've got 2 options. Gavin's given you a first option here, so type 3 dashes and press enter. Now to type the 3 dashes, you have to hold down shift and then press the minus button 3 times and press enter. That will create an extra line in there. At the moment there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines there. The other way in which you've done it, once you've done that, okay, all you have to do is just press enter and it will create a new line. So we're up to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so we've got a whole table box here with the same question with 18 lines. Now you'll notice again that the next question here is right at the top at the bottom of this page, and the question goes on to the next page. Well, you can't have that happening again. Please don't press enter to get that onto the next page. Insert a page break. Inserting page breaks saves you formatting problems later down the track. Okay. Once you've done that, you can get rid of this note down here, and that's it. Once again, you can add more questions by simply copying and pasting and then changing the marks and changing the amount of lines by pressing enter. Now to get rid of lines, it's just as easy as to just press delete once you're in there, once you're on the line.